The 2018 Honda Pilot does family obligation-like Sunday tasks. Its huge lodge, delicate tires, and availability implies that the hybrid SUV is more like minivan from numerous points of view, yet less the sliding entryways. The Pilot pulls with 280 torque of V6 energy, somewhat more capable than it honestly should be. The transmission decisions are more established, smoother 6-speed we want to the occasionally juddery 9-speed. It can tow up to 5,000 pounds, and mileage figures ascend to 22 miles per gallon joined, however we've seen bring down outcomes in reality. Its ride is genuinely rich, and the controlling's casual, strangely, more quiet with the huge 20-inch wheels than with the littler 18s. The Pilot's present sheet metal is truly attractive. It rose up out of its discount remodel a year prior with a more natural, adjusted shape. It benefits as much as possible from a lower front end, a 3-light side view with everything in a similar manner as Santa Fe and Rogue Traverse, and a pleasantly completed backside that maintains a strategic distance from the traps of understyling seen on the Chevy 3 Pushuta. Put plain, the Pilot's currently rich and chiseled, without looking excessively dressy or muscle-bound. The 2018 Pilot comes in LX, X, XL, Touring, and Elite trim levels. Costs extend from about $32,000 to almost $50,000. With standard highlights and alternatives that fill all the typical details, and with its tolerable infotainment framework, the Pilot gains a 8 for highlights.
Yeah.